Top tips for invisible zippers. Installing zippers in Viscose can be quite tricky. I'm working with B6705, so I thought I'd share some advice on how to get a flawless finish on your dress. Start by fusing a thin strip of interfacing to your zipper opening. Then sew the left hand side of your zipper and mark where the seam line is on the right hand side. Place the zipper over on the right hand opening and pin so that the lines match up. Then use a hand basting stitch just to hold the zipper in place with a few stitches either side of the seam. Go back and forth just to make sure it won't move under your machine. Snip off the needle so that's out the way, and then close the zipper and you can quickly check that you've got everything lined up. It's only a few stitches, so if you need to redo it, that's easy enough. When you're happy, move over to the machine. I'm using an invisible zipper foot, and sew over your hand basting stitches. You'll quickly unpick those after you're done. There we have it, a lovely matched seam in Viscose.